my god, this is the biggest fish I've caught all year. Good morning, everybody. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys as always. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. They'll help the channel grow, and if you want to share my videos, thank you very much. I would appreciate that. But today we are at the Aqueduct again. I haven't fished the mornings in a while, and the evening bites have been pretty slow at the Aqueduct, so let's see if the morning bites any better. So yeah, let's hope I catch some stripers, because waking up early on a weekday on your day off is not ideal, but hey, I'll take it. You know, you're fishing over working, so yeah, stay tuned. Here it is, the Aqueduct. Let's hope the morning bite's a little bit better than the evening bite. The gates are closed. It's been closed for a while now. It opens here and there, I guess. At this spot, at least. I see some ripples over there. I don't know if that's carps or stripers. Is it too early for top water? I don't know. It's been pretty warm here in Northern California. Let's go try that spot out first. Fishing with the old trusty dual Realis, but this one is a 130 SP. Abu Garcia Vengeance rod, 7 foot, medium heavy, and a little Abu Garcia Silver Max and 15-pound line. There's like absolutely no wind right now. There, I just got bit. Ooh, I think I just got bit. I just saw a fish come up. Ooh, what was that? Carp? Stripers. I think the fishes are boiling over there. I don't know. This is a little early. Heck of ripples over there. Let's go. I don't know if it's carps or stripers. Something's constantly jumping over here. You guys see that? Oh, it's probably carp. Maybe run way over here just for a carp. Yeah, sometimes you just don't know if it's a carp or a striper. Saw a fish follow up on my lure right here at the bank. Maybe I'm fishing it too fast, I don't know. Just saw one follow up on it though. swapped over to my go-to on 120. See how beat up it is, because I fish it a lot. I know this one has more action than the 130s. It's like the second fish that came up to my lure like last minute. It's like they're chasing it, but then they're not interested in it. It's getting hot. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. It's getting hot. I gotta take off my sweater. So I'm at a new spot. Switch over to the Lucky Craft. Haven't got any bites recently. Hopefully that changes. Probably gonna fish all the way up there and then probably come down here. I just lost my Lucky Craft. Oh my god. Eat it on the front hook. Get one, good picture. Catch and release. So I'm casting right into the current. Like that. I'm just working it back really slow. Some jerks like this. I didn't even know I had a fish on. What the heck? What is this? You guys see it? Oh my god, this is the biggest fish I've caught all year. I thought I got snagged on some brush or something. Cast it right over there. Oh my god, this little guy was hungry. Look at that, my lure is just as big as him. So I finally broke the one fish curse, guys. Man, this thing's beautiful though. Hopefully it gets super big one day. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. Very small, but man, if I could put it in my fish tank, I would. Look at that, he was hungry. Look at that thing. Small, tiny little largemouth bass. Got the trebles in his mouth. Oh my god, this thing's a monster. All right, little dude, catch and release. There he goes. Still see it right there. It's like swimming against the current right now. Two stripers come up from my lure. Right there. They're still there. See if I can hook one up. Woo! They're right here. Recap of the day. I caught 2 fish, 1 striper and 1 largemouth bass. Both of them on the jerkbait. And today's a little weird, really hot. And so the stripers, they'll chase my lure all the way up to the bank and then they just swim away. I've seen tons of followers, tons of stripers that would just follow my lure and they'll just go away. I don't know if I'm fishing too fast. I try to fish slow, but with the current and stuff, it's kind of weird when you fish slow. But yeah, all in all, I think it was a okay day. I wish I would have hooked up on more stripers, but yeah, if you guys like this video, please stay tuned for more weekly content, and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching my video.